Welcome student. Welcome in class 10th. Again math chapter 3. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Today we will try to understand this chapter properly. The basic concept of this linear equation two variable. Okay. Linear equation you know. Okay. Linear equation in last class 9th. You have already learned the variables. No, power of variables here is 1. That means this is linear. If power of variable is 2, so quadratic. So like this, linear equation means the variable x or xy is with power 1. Okay. Here two variable, linear equation in two variable. That means in this equation variables are not only like x, y, a, b like this, x and y, then two variables. The format of linear equation two variable, first of all, form of linear equation. No, that already you are knowing. Again, just I write to remind you. Form of linear equation. Linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You are familiar with this form. No, here see variables x and y, two variables are there, and a, b, c are what? Constant. In the form of linear equation, you are aware a, b, c are what? No. Keep in mind, no? Listen it properly. This a, b, c, the nature of number a, b, c, all these numbers are real number. Okay, real number you know, all the number which are used in calculation are real number. Okay, A, B, C are real number, and in this case A and B not equal to 0. C may be 0. No, C equal to or not equal to 0. That means C may be 0, but A, B both not equal to 0. Here A, B not equal to 0 means both at a time should not be 0. Then the form of equation will not be there. Okay, that form will be this form, means it will not exist in the proper form. Okay, क्या बोला मैंने कि A और B दोनों एक साथ 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, C हो सकता है. यदि दोनों हो गया एक साथ 0 तो प्रॉपर फॉर्म ही नहीं रहेगा लिनियर इक्वेशन का. ठीक है, ओके. तो ये फॉर्म ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन हो गया. अभी देखो हम लोगों का टॉपिक क्या है. चलो, टू वेरिएबल्स, पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन. ओके, सम मोर थिंग वी विल डिस्कस, देन वी विल गो. ना, solution of linear equation on graph. Graph, you know what is graph? No. In previous classes mean in class 9th, you might have learned if this is graph sheet and any line, no, suppose line AB, if this line is representing any linear equation, if this line is representing any equation, That means any point on this line, any point. Generally, for answer, we were taking point where this line is intersecting the x-axis. No? You are remembering this. This generally represent the value of x and y. Okay. So that means this line is representing, suppose for example, if we take x minus 2y, suppose, just I am taking, it is not real x minus 2y, just for example, x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, this is the line, like this, or any other equation may be there. So that means this line is representing this equation, and any point on this line now will represent the value of x and y. Okay? Point on the line representing and vice versa. Now, if pair of linear equations, see the here our heading is what? Pair of linear equation. So now, pair of linear equation, for one equation, if the form of equation is what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That pair means two equations. So if in first equation, x and y, variable will be same. Okay? In both the equation, x is same, y is same. Okay, but these coefficient, constants, these have to be some in different form. Okay, so if it is a something a and in another something, this is a1 and in another a2. Same way in first equation b1, in another b2, but y will be same. And here first equation c1 in another c2 is equal to 0. That means these two equation, okay, this two equation is representing the two linear equation, and both at a time is representing pair of linear equation. And equation is what? Two variable. Variable is x and y. No, and these a, b, c are constant. So here you understood the pair of linear equation is what? Okay, and form of the pair of linear equation, you can write, this is the form of pair of linear equation. Okay, up to here clear. But in this linear equation, especially for MCQ purpose, you have to keep in mind, in this linear equation, the nature of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Okay, this will be what? Already discussed. That means A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are real numbers. Okay, and A1 square plus B1 square not equal to 0. A2 square plus B2 square also not equal to 0. This is the criteria. For in MCQ, like this question, or in true false, this nature may be converted into question. So keep in mind. Okay, in the pair of linear equation, ABC, both type of ABC are real number, and A square plus B square not equal to 0. A2 square, B2 square not equal to 0. And in earlier we have discussed at a time A and B, no, either A1 B1 or A2 B2, both at a time will not be 0. Already discussed. Okay. Now this linear equation, the first in our book, no, in first attempt we will learn the linear pair of linear equation can be solved on the graph sheet. How it can be solved? Okay, in graph sheet, suppose this is graph sheet and this is x, this is x, this is y, x dash, x, y, y dash. Like this, if graph sheet is there, this is 0, 0. Okay. In this graph sheet, two equations. No? For one equation, one line will be there, and for two equation, two line will be there. If for one equation, suppose line is intersecting, first equation suppose A, B, C, D, and another is A, B, and another is C, D, then certainly the line will intersect. Okay. So in linear equation, if we draw this equation, no, convert this equation on graph sheet, that you know in class 9th you have learned how to convert in this. Okay. So if you convert this equation, suppose like this, AB, and another is suppose like this, CD. So here it is intersecting point. If like this situation is coming, maybe here, any place. If like this situation is there, intersecting, this is one situation, suppose this is situation A, another B, two lines, two pair of linear equation may be like this in parallel, line may go like this. No, that means never, it will not intersect any place. Okay, this is situation A, this is suppose situation B. And third situation may be if one equation is representing line this, another may also on same line. This will be the third situation. Okay. That means this A is what? Intersecting. Two lines are intersecting. Another B, parallel. Line like this, parallel. And C, coincide. Suppose line is like this, line is like this. Okay. So you understood that all these three situations. Okay. In these three situations, this is unique solution. That means one intersecting point. So this will be called unique solution. Unique solution. Okay. And this type of situation in the graph, means intersecting at one point, is called unique solution, means one answer will be there for x and y. Okay. And consistent, and the equation like this two equation will be called consistent pair of linear equation. Okay. For example, suppose one equation is suppose x minus 2y is equal to 0 and another is 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Like this, suppose two equation is like this. If you draw this equation on the graph sheet, both line will intersect at a place. So therefore, like this equation will be called unique solution. Like this equation will have unique solution for x, for y, and one solution will be there. Okay? And this type of equation will be called consistent pair of linear equation. Okay? Now come to another. Okay? If two lines are on the graph sheet parallel, so these two lines will not intersect. That means no solution. In this parallel line, no solution. For x and y, no value. Okay? You will not get any value. And this type of equation will be called what? This type of equation will be called inconsistent. Inconsistent type of linear equation. Okay? For example, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. These are examples. No? This type of equation, if you draw on graph sheet, line will come parallel. Okay? Here see, by watching you can decide. That we will discuss. Okay? Later on. Okay. So here this type of equation is called inconsistent. Okay? Then no solution. Another is coincide. In coincide equation, solution will be many. No? Because the intersecting, all points are intersecting. So this is coincide type and many solution. Means value of x, y will not be unique, one will be many. Many solution. Okay? It will be also called consistent. Consistent means kya? Some result is coming, but dependent. Consistent, dependent. Okay? Consistent, dependent. This type of equation will be called. Example is what? Suppose 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Another is 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. This type of equation, if you draw on graph sheet, so first whatever line will come on the graph sheet, another equation will give same line on that same line, coincide line. Therefore, many solution, all points are intersecting, and consistent, dependent. Consistent means giving result but dependent one another. Okay? So up to here. Here now watch this equation. Watch this equation. Here see coefficient. What is the coefficient of this equation? You can convert this equation on value of c. C is nothing. You can write plus 0. And then 0 can also be written here. Okay? Here coefficient c. Here 1, here 3. But here 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 0 and 20. No, nothing, no combination is there. Means not, there is no similarity. So that can be written like this. A1, suppose this is A1. This equation is 1. So here first coefficient A1, here second is A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. In this equation, you will find A1 this by A2, A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. Here see 1 by 3 not is equal to minus 2 by 4. For third C1 by C2 not here not described. Means no need to describe, no need to watch. If like this combination is coming, like this ratio is coming here with coefficient, so certainly this is indicating that that equation which is giving, means this type of equation is will give intersecting line and unique solution. One solution will be there and it will be called consistent pair. Okay. Now watch here. 1 by 2, again 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Okay. But 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. No. That means in parallel line equation A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Okay. If like this situation with this coefficient number ABC, here ABC is coming, so this is indication that these two equations are parallel. Now come in this, no, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and 9 by 18, 1 by 2, all three are 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This situation, if like this situation, all three are in ratio, so this is coincide. Many solution consistent means giving result but dependent. Okay. So then up to here we have discussed the graphical method of pair of linear equation. No, three type of solution we have discussed the graphical method. Now if pair of linear equation is suppose unique solution, means x and y each giving one solution, so then is common type of pair of linear equation can be solved in how many ways? That is called in normal algebraic method. So we will try now linear equation, solving the linear equation by algebraic method. So take suppose this equation only, what we have taken on graph. So this is what? X minus 2y is equal to 0. No, x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is 1. And another is 3x plus 4y minus 20. Bring minus is 20 this side. So this is plus 20. This equation. Substitution method. First method is called substitutes. Substitute method. By name itself, no, it is explanatory. Here substitute means x or y can be substituted. See in this equation, suppose in x, in first equation, value of y take out. This is what? 2y is equal to 0. Bring this 2y this side. So this is plus. And here x. X is equal to 2y. That means in place of x you can write 2y. Okay. Or y is equal to x by 2. Any option you can apply. But this option, this result can be applied on second. Right? Second equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Here in place of x, if you replace x with y value, so this is 3 into 2y, no? In place of x, 2y, plus 4y is equal to 20. This is 6y plus 4y is equal to 20. 6 plus 4, 10y, 20y is equal to 20 by 10 is equal to 2. So here in any equation you can put value of y is equal to 2. Suppose in first, if y is equal to 2, this is 4 and this will x is equal to plus 4. Put here y 2, so 2 to the 4 minus 4, bring right side, x is equal to plus 4. Like this method is called substitute method. Okay? Elimination method, another method. Now y is equal to, suppose here write answer, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Okay? Same equation now you solve with elimination method. This you understood? Now next. By name itself, eliminate. Okay? Elimination method, eliminate any x and y. So like you can do x minus y to y here, 3x plus 4y equal to 0. In this method, if you want to eliminate x, then coefficient of x, here it is, nothing means 1. You have to multiply with full equation. If you want to eliminate y, then coefficient of y will be multiplied with full equation. Here suppose you want to eliminate x. So do coefficient of 1. So 1 multiply with full equation 2 and 3 with full equation 1. If you multiply with 3, this full equation, this will be what? 3 into x. This will be 3x. 3 into 2 to minus 6y. 3 into 0, 0. This will be the first equation. And this coefficient is 1 to 1 with same equation. That means value will not be changed. Same. So this is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Now see, both are same. X. Here first equation minus, subtract second. All sign will be changed. This will be minus, this, because here is plus, here is plus minus, here is plus minus. Here is plus 3x minus 3x cut. Here minus 6y minus 4y. Minus 10y is equal to minus 20. Only y is equal to what? Minus 20 by minus 10 is equal to 2. Same. Y is equal to 2. इधर क्या हमने लगा दे y is equal to 2. तो x. Okay. So here y is 2. In previous, no? In previous substitution method, y was 2. We have given here 2 into 2 minus 4. 4 bring that side, then x was 4. Okay. Here also y is 2. Again same 2 into 2, 4. And minus 4, this side plus 4, x is equal to 4. So with second method also you got the same answer. Okay. Now third method. Third method is called cross multiplication method. Okay. With this method, you will get same answer. Okay. In cross multiplication method, the coefficient here a1, b1 you write this equation in this form. X minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. Then here 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Here a1 here is 1. a2 here 3. b1 is equal to minus 2. b2 is equal to 4. No. Here C1 is equal to 0. C2 is equal to minus 2. And here you will use formula X. X is equal to B1 into C2 minus B2 C1. Here B is 1 to C2. Again B2 to C1 by A1 by A1 B2. If A1 is A is 1, B is 2, and minus A2 then B1. Okay, X is like this. Then Y. Y is equal to C and A. C1 A2 minus C2 A1. And bottom is same. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is the formula. If you set this, these are coefficient A, B, C. Set on this, the X will be what? B1. No, this is B1. What is B1? Minus 2 into C2. C2 is what? Minus 20 and minus, suppose this is like this. B2 is 4 into C1. C1 is 0 by A1 B2. A1 is 1 into B2 4 minus A2 minus 2. Okay, minus 2 and B1 A2 3 sorry. A1 1 into B2 4 minus A2 3 into B1 minus 2. Okay, this will be what? Minus into minus 40 minus 4 by 4 here minus into 3. ये कितना था? 3A2 3 तो 6 plus 6. This is how much? 36. 40 36 10 किया 18 somewhere some B1 check B1 C2. So this is B1 minus 2 C2 minus 20 तो प्लस 40 ठीक है माइनस B2 4 C1 0. Okay, then this is 40 into plus 40 minus 4 36. Okay, then A1 B2. A1 is 1, B2 is minus A1 is 1, B2 is 4. Okay, B2 is 4. Then A2 is 3 and B1 is minus 2. तो 3 2 जा 6 तो प्लस 6 10 36 36 और ये आगे सी हियर व्हाट इज मिस्टेक Here 4 into 0. This will come 0, not 4. Okay. Now we have done mistake here. 4 into 0 is 0. So 40 minus 0 is equal to 40. This will be 40. Okay. By 10. So this is 4. Same answer came. Okay. So now all these three methods we have done. And same answer is coming. That means in algebraic method, substitution method we have learned, elimination method we have learned, cross multiplication method we have learned. And another is not a method. Another is what? If question is like this is called reducible to pair of linear equation. If it is not in a proper linear equation form, you can convert it into linear equation form. So variety of question will be like this. Suppose 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, and suppose 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Suppose equation is like this, two equation. Here see, this 1 by x, here also 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by y. If variable is in same format, then you can convert in easier way. This will be what? 1 by x. Suppose let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So this equation will be what? Here 1 into 1 by x. So 1 by x a, 2a. You can write like this, na? 2 into 1 by x, 3 into 1 by y, 13. 1 by x, write a. So 2a plus 3y, 1 by y is equal to b. No, here b. So b is equal to 3. Now simple equation by any method. No, let it be substitution, elimination, cross multiplication. One simple equation. Here also say 1 by x. So that means 5a, 1 by y, b. So 4b minus 2. Like this two equation you got in simple form. And when solve this equation, whatever a is result and whatever b result is coming, so here in place of a you will write 1 by x is equal to whatever number is there, and then find the x is equal to. Okay, same way in b, so 1 by y is equal to whatever value of b has come, and then find the y. So simple. So this is called reducible to the pair of linear equation. So like this, in this full chapter, the basic of full chapter we have done, and the example and exercise you can do. Okay. Okay. So like this basic of this chapter is over. I think you have learned properly, understood properly, but if you have learned properly, must like this video, subscribe this channel. Okay, good day.